the adjustable angle bench from DD Machinery. This bench is a great choice for those of you who aren't sure if you'd like a full level position bench or at an angle. It also gives you the ability to easily adjust the amount of angle. Right now the bench is in the full level position. Just remove the pin to drop it down to get some angle. And we can drop it down a little lower if you like. With this bench you're bound to find the perfect angle for you and your partner. It also has a face cradle for added comfort. After a close look at this bench, it's easy to see why DD Machinery is the leading manufacturer of spanking benches in the world. And now I'm going to show you how to put this together after it arrives. This bench comes almost completely assembled. Here's what you will find in your box. The main bench assembly, the right knee assembly, the left knee assembly, the right arm assembly, the left arm assembly, and the front brace. Here's the hardware that you will find in your package. 8 8x2.5 inch wood screws, 2 12 by 1 inch eye bolts, 2 1/4 inch by 2 3/4 inch angle eye bolts, 2 1/4 inch nuts, 4 1/4 inch flat washers, 2 1/4 inch by 2 1/2 inch lag bolts. Here are the tools you will need. 1 Phillips screwdriver, 1 7/16 wrench, or an adjustable wrench. For the first part of our assembly, we're going to start with our right arm assembly. You'll find that it's labeled as so, and on the right arm assembly we have 4 holes. We want to line our bolts up with one of the holes, just like this, and you'll find the holes right here on your bench. And let's just hand tighten that for now. Okay, and now we're going to grab our screwdriver and tighten this one just a little bit before we add our other 3. Okay, now that we've got this all tightened up, we're going to repeat this for the other side. Okay, now that you've added both arm assemblies, we can go ahead and move on to our knee assembly. This is going to be our right knee assembly. The flat side is going to face inward. On your bench you'll find that you have 2 angle blocks, one on each side. You can either remove these or you can leave them on. And what these are going to do for you is add an angle if you want it to be angled outwards, or you can just take them off if you want to be straight out with your knees. Now we're going to line the knee rest up with our bolt, just like so. There we go. Now we're going to add a washer and a nut using our 7/16 inch wrench. Just like so. And then we'll repeat this for the other side. Now that we've added both our knee assemblies, we're going to go ahead and add our front brace. You'll see that we have 2 holes on our brace, and we're going to line those up right here at the front below our headrest. Now you're going to add your 2.5 inch lag bolt and washer, just like so. Hand tighten that. Now we're going to add our second lag bolt and washer, just like so. And then we will use our 7/16 inch wrench. Now we're going to want to tighten these back and forth. Until we've got them both as tight as we can. Now that we've got our front brace on nice and tight, we can go ahead and add our eye bolts. Right here you'll find your eye bolt hole. You may want to use a screwdriver to tighten this the rest of the way. Make sure you eyeball in an up and down position, like so. And we're going to want to repeat this for the other side. Now that we've added our front eyeballs, we're going to go ahead and add our rear eyeballs. You'll see the holes right here at the back end of your knee rest. And the eyeball's going to go in just a little bit at an angle. Make sure that you leave about 3/4 of an inch of thread out. And you're just going to want to do the same to the other side.